Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video where we'll be talking about one of the most fascinating creatures that lives in our oceans and rivers, the eel. Eels are often shrouded in mystery and misconceptions, and today we'll be diving deep into the world of eels, learning about their unique characteristics, their advantages and disadvantages, and much more. Let's start by discussing the anatomy and characteristics of eels. Eels are a type of fish that have a long, slender body that is covered in a layer of slime. They have small scales and no pelvic fins. Eels are also known for their snake-like movements, which they achieve through the undulation of their body. Another interesting feature of eels is their ability to breathe air. Eels have a specialized organ called the gill arch that allows them to absorb oxygen from the air. There are many different types of eels, with the most common being the freshwater eel and the saltwater eel. Freshwater eels are commonly found in rivers, lakes, and streams, while saltwater eels are found in the oceans. One of the most well-known types of eels is the electric eel, which has the ability to produce electric shocks to defend itself and hunt prey. Now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of eels. One of the biggest advantages of eels is that they are a food source for many animals, including humans. Eels are rich in protein and other nutrients, making them a healthy food choice. Eels are also important to the ecosystem as they play a role in controlling the population of other fish species. However, eels can also be a disadvantage as they are known to be invasive in some areas, causing damage to the ecosystem by competing with native species for resources. There are many fascinating facts about eels that most people don't know. Did you know that eels can live for up to 80 years? Or that eels have a unique migration pattern where they travel thousands of miles from their freshwater habitat to the ocean to breed. Another interesting fact is that eels have been used in medicine for centuries, as their blood contains substances that can help heal wounds and reduce inflammation. Unfortunately, eels are facing many threats that are putting their population at risk. One of the biggest threats is overfishing, as eels are in high demand for their meat and skin. Climate change is also having an impact on eels, as changes in water temperature and water levels can affect their migration patterns and breeding habits. Pollution is another threat to eels, as it can affect the quality of the water they live in and the food they eat. We hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating creatures and gained a better understanding of their role in our ecosystem. Remember, it's important that we all work together to protect eels and their habitat so that they can continue to thrive for generations to come. That wraps up today's video. I'll see you at the next one. Goodbye.